Best Adventure Motorcycles 2025, KTM 390 Adventure. As the adventure motorcycle market evolves in 2025, the KTM 390 Adventure remains a standout choice for riders seeking a lightweight yet capable bike that excels both on and off the road. Known for its agility, affordability, and advanced features, the 390 Adventure continues to appeal to a wide range of motorcyclists, from beginners to seasoned adventurers. The 2025 KTM 390 Adventure is powered by a 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that delivers an impressive power-to-weight ratio, making it perfect for navigating tight trails and urban environments. The engine has been refined for 2025, offering smoother power delivery and improved fuel efficiency, making it ideal for long-distance touring and everyday commuting alike. One of the key updates for the 2025 model is its enhanced suspension system, which features WP Apex adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock, allowing riders to tailor the bike's handling to various terrains. Whether tackling rocky paths, muddy trails, or paved roads, the suspension system ensures a comfortable and controlled ride. The KTM 390 Adventure also boasts a host of modern technologies, including an advanced traction control system, cornering ABS, and multiple riding modes to suit different riding conditions. The new TFT display is larger and more intuitive, offering smartphone connectivity for navigation, calls, and music, which keeps riders connected and informed during their journeys. Ergonomically, the bike is designed with a comfortable, upright riding position and adjustable handlebars, catering to riders of different sizes. The low seat height and lightweight chassis make it accessible and manageable, even for those new to the adventure biking scene. Overall, the 2025 KTM 390 Adventure continues to be a leading choice in the lightweight adventure motorcycle category, offering a versatile, tech-savvy, and cost-effective option for those eager to explore the world on two wheels.